All right, my friend, this is hack number 16. We are one away from finishing this series, but I got some bonuses for you. If you like this information, like it, share it, comment on it so other people can see it, so the platform can show it to more people, and so you can see more of my videos as well. So hack number 16, keep your debts low and don't be over leveraged. Now, I mentioned something like this before, but what I mean is, if you have all of these credit cards, if you have all of these accounts, do not be over leveraged. Always have some money on the side. Like I mentioned before, if you have a line of credit and it's $50,000 to the bank, that's nice. But if you use the full $50,000 and now you don't have any money left over, your bank account doesn't have any money in it, you're over leveraged. You look risky. So when you try to go back for a credit card, they might not approve you because you've already maxed out your line of credit. You're only making minimum payments. You don't really have any money in the bank account. Why would I want to give you more money so you can max that card out and not pay me back? That's how they're going to think. So what I need you to do instead is use a little bit of the money from your line of credit. Keep some in there. You can actually cycle that money through your bank account if you want. Take the money from your line of credit and deposit it into your bank account and just leave it in there. If you're not using it, at least you have some money in the bank account. It doesn't make you look like you're over leveraged. It makes you look like you have some reserves. You have this capital in your bank account that you're ready to deploy when you need to. When you want to invest it in something, it's there. But you have it as reserves in your line of credit. Now, I'm not saying don't use your line of credit. I'm saying use it, but also, if you can, keep some in there for capital reserves. So the bank feels less risky when they look at your profile. When they're looking at you and you're applying for a credit card, you look less risky because you have some money still left in the account. If you look 100% drained, they will not want to give you money. You look like you're desperate for money. Why would I want to give you more money if you look like you're over leveraged? So DNB's payback score actually looks at the percentage or the probability that your business is going to go bankrupt. Between that 1 to 100 range that your payback score can go to, 80 or more means that your business might not go bankrupt anytime soon. Less than that means that your business could go bankrupt sometime soon. So the way it can look like you're going to go bankrupt is if you're over leveraged. Being over leveraged can drop your DNB score, your payback score, and your experience score as well.